Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Foodtech 360. In this video, we are doing Foodtech quiz number 65, topic Industrial Microbiology. It consists of 50 MCQs, so watch the video till end. Without any further delay, let's get started. Question number 1. Which of the following bacteria is involved in vinegar manufacture? Options A. Pseudomonas, B. Glucanabacter, C. Alkalogens, D. All of the above. Correct answer B. Glucanabacter. Question number 2. In shake production, microorganism involved is options A. Saccharomyces, B. Aspergillus, C. Lactobacillus, D. Bacillus. Correct answer B. Aspergillus. Question number 3. In San Francisco dough bread, microorganism responsible for leavening is options A. Lactobacillus San Francisco, B. Torulopsis homi, C. Lactobacillus bulgaricus, D. Saccharomyces cerevisiae. Correct answer B. Torulopsis homi. Question number 4. Acid development in San Francisco dough bread is due to options A. Lactobacillus San Francisco, B. Torulopsis homi, C. Lactobacillus bulgaricus, D. Saccharomyces cerevisiae. Correct answer A. Lactobacillus San Francisco. Question number 5. Sarcina sickness is defect due to options A. Wine, B. Sauerkraut, C. Beer, D. Bread. Correct answer C. Beer. Question number 6. In coffee fermentation, microorganism involved is options A. Lactobacillus brevis, B. Leuconostoc mesenteroides, C. Lactobacillus plantarum, D. All of the above. Correct answer D. All of the above. Question number 7. In cocoa processing, microorganism involved is options A. Torulopsis homi, B. Candida crusei, C. Penicillium expansum, D. Bacillus natto. Correct answer B. Candida crusei. Question number 8. Stable color of wine is believed to result from options A. Annatone, B. Self-association of anthocyanin, C. Dissociation of carotenoids, D. Metallocomplex formation of chlorophyll. Correct answer B. Self-association of anthocyanin. Question number 9. In the production of angkak, the microorganism involved is options A. Serratia marcescens, B. Monascus purpurae, C. Pseudomonas erythrae, D. None of the following. Correct answer B. Monascus purpurae. Question number 10. Which of the following is bottom yeast? Options A. Saccharomyces carlsbergensis, B. Saccharomyces ellipsoides, C. Candida utilis, D. All of the above. Correct answer A. Saccharomyces carlsbergensis. Question number 11. Simmering is options A. Closing the mouth of can during canning process, B. Gentle boiling with temperature about 100 degrees Celsius, C. Killing of microorganism with the help of antibiotics, D. Method of removal of contaminants from the raw material. Correct answer B. Gentle boiling with temperature about 100 degrees Celsius. Question number 12. Preservation of foods in sealed containers and which usually implies heat treatment as a principal factor in the prevention of spoilage is called options A. Cold sterilization, B. Canning, C. Aseptic packaging, D. Simmering. Correct answer B. Canning. Question number 13. Which of the following is baker's yeast? Options A. Saccharomyces cerevisiae, B. Saccharomyces bulgaricus, C. Saccharomyces carlsbergensis, D. All of the above. Correct answer A. Saccharomyces cerevisiae. Question number 14. Which of the following microorganism is used in beer making? Options A. Yeast, B. Bacteria, C. Mold, D. All of the above. Correct answer A. Yeast. Question number 15. Which variety of Saccharomyces cerevisiae is used in beer manufacturing? Options A. Mesentericus, B. Ellipsoides, C. Vermiformis, D. Carlsbergensis. Correct answer D. Carlsbergensis. Question number 16. What is ale? Options A. Fermented corn. B. Type of beer. C. Fermented carrot. D. None of the above. Correct answer B. Type of beer. Question number 17. Which low temperature lactic acid bacteria is involved in the production of rye bread? Options A. Lactobacillus bulgaricus. B. Lactobacillus plantarum. C. Streptococcus thermophilus. D. All of the above. Correct answer B. Lactobacillus plantarum. Question number 18. Ginger beer is produced by the use of options A. Lactobacillus bulgaricus. B. Saccharomyces bulgaricus. C. Saccharomyces pyriformis. D. Rhizopus sonti. Correct answer C. Saccharomyces pyriformis. Question number 19. Microorganism involved in sauerkraut manufacture is options A. Enterobacter cloacae. B. Erwinia herbicola. C. Lactobacillus plantarum. D. All of the above. Correct answer D. All of the above. Question number 20. Alcohol content in beer is options A. 3 to 4%, B. 5 to 12%, C. 20 to 23%, D. 35 to 38%. Correct answer A. 3 to 4%. Question number 21. Hops are used in manufacture of options A. Wine. B. Beer. C. Brandy. D. Whiskey. Correct answer B. Beer. Question number 22. The substance present in herbs with antiseptic activity. Options A. Humulon. B. Cohumulon. C. Adumulon. D. All of the above. Correct answer D. All of the above. Question number 23. Herbs are options A. Effective against gram-positive bacteria. B. Effective against gram-negative bacteria. C. Effective against gram-negative as well as gram-positive bacteria. D. Not effective against bacteria. Correct answer A. Effective against gram-positive bacteria. Question number 24. What is obtained during the manufacture of options A. Vinegar. B. Rye bread. C. Beer. D. Miso. Correct answer C. Beer. Question number 25. Brewing is options A. Cultivation of grape. B. Manufacture of beer. C. Preservation of meat by fermentation. D. None of the above. Correct answer B. Manufacture of beer. Question number 26. Green beer is options A. Spoiled beer contaminated by Pseudomonas species. B. An artificial beer manufactured by mixing water with beer flavor and added color. C. Beer-like beverage obtained from plant extract. D. Freshly prepared beer which is further stored at 0 degrees Celsius for few months. Correct answer D. Freshly prepared beer which is further stored at 0 degrees Celsius for few months. Question number 27. Beer is manufactured from options A. Grape. B. Wheat. C. Barley. D. Tomato. Correct answer C. Barley. Question number 28. Carbon dioxide content in beer is about options A. 0.02 to 0.06%, B. 0.45 to 0.52%, C. 1.23 to 1.29%, D. 1.78 to 2.01%. Correct answer B. 0.45 to 0.52%. Question number 29. Sarcina sickness in beer is caused by options A. Saccharomyces cerevisiae, B. Pediococcus cerevisiae, C. Lactobacillus brevis, D. All of the above. Correct answer D. Pediococcus cerevisiae. Question number 30. Pilsener is options A genus of microorganism responsible for many defects in malt beverage, B. A type of malt beverage, C. A equipment used to measure the alcohol content of beer, D. A type of defect found in beer. Correct answer B. A type of malt beverage. Question number 31. Sake is options A. Beer made from wheat, B. Low calorie beer, C. Yellow rice beer, D. None of the above. Correct answer C. Yellow rice beer. Question number 32. Bock beer is options A. Low alcohol containing beer, B. High alcohol containing beer, C. Low calorie beer, D. Corn beer. Correct answer B. High alcohol containing beer. Question number 33. Santi is options A. Barley beer, B. Ginger beer, C. Wheat beer, D. Rice beer. Correct answer D. Rice beer. Question number 34. Ale is manufactured by options A. Top yeast, B. Bottom yeast, C. Capsulated bacteria, D. Thermophilic mold. Correct answer A. Top yeast. Question number 35. Red wine is manufactured by options A. Fermentation of banana juice, B. Fermentation of grape with skin, C. Fermentation of grapes by red pigment containing bacteria, D. Fermentation of red roses. Correct answer B. Fermentation of grapes with skin. Question number 36. During manufacture of wine, the crushed grape used as raw material is called options A. Wort, B. Ale, C. Hop, D. Must. Correct answer D. Must. Question number 37. Still wines, options A. are fermented in a vessel without agitation, B. are fermented strawberry, C. contain no carbon dioxide produced during fermentation, D. are carcinogenic. Correct answer C. contain no carbon dioxide produced during fermentation. Question number 38. A high content of volatile acid is wine is the indication of options A. superior quality of wine, B. adulteration of wine with vinegar, C. faulty fermentation, D. post fermentation contamination of wine. Correct answer C. faulty fermentation. Question number 39. Dry wines are free from options A. moisture, B. unfermented sugars, C. toxic substances, D. all of the above. Correct answer B. unfermented sugars. Question number 40. Distilled wines are options A. whiskey, B. brandy, C. beer, D. rum. Correct answer B. brandy. Question number 41. Wine flour is options A. type of wine fortified with flour extract, B. type of defect found in wine, C. type of wine supplement prepared from flour extract, D. none of the above. Correct answer B. type of defect found in wine. Question number 42. Ropiness in wine is caused by options A. Lactobacillus brevis, B. Leuconostoc mesenterowitz, C. Pseudomonas salinaria, D. all of the above. Correct answer B. Leuconostoc mesenterowitz. Question number 43. Gasiness in wines resulting from any cause such as from the liberation of carbon dioxide is called options A. wine flour, B. magnetic, C. pause, D. tournay. Correct answer C. pause. Question number 44. California desert wine is being spoiled by options A. Lactobacillus trichoides, B. Chlorolupsis homi, C. Bacillus subtilis, D. Aspergillus niger. Correct answer A. Lactobacillus trichoides. Question number 45. What is mead? Options A. It is type of spoilage found in wine, B. It is type of wine, C. It is byproduct of wine manufacture, D. Wine is called mead in Japan. Correct answer B. It is type of wine. Question number 46. Mead is manufactured from options A. sugar, B. apple, C. honey, D. apricot. Correct answer C. honey. Question number 47. Cider is fermented. Options A. apple, B. banana, C. orange, D. cherries. Correct answer A. apple. Question number 48. Rum is options A. distilled liquor, B. undistilled liquor, C. fortified wine, D. byproduct of brewing industry. Correct answer A. distilled liquor. Question number 49. Rum is manufactured from options A. grape, B. sugarcane, C. rice, D. carrot juice. Correct answer B. sugarcane. Question number 50. Whiskey is options A. distilled liquor, B. undistilled liquor, C. fortified wine, D. Byproduct of brewing industry. Correct answer A. Distilled liquor. If you have missed out the previous videos, we have linked them down in the description. For daily updates and study materials, you can join us on our Telegram channel, Facebook and Instagram. Link is in the description. If you found this video helpful, like this video and share this information to your friends. To see more videos like this, please subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon so that you never miss a video from us.